Welcome! Today I'm showing you a simple star hack to improve the quality of your star, making it easier but not exact. We're starting with a vertical line down and then going to the right and the left, so it's like the letter T upside down, and you're connecting the top to the wide bottom, making a triangle, and it kind of looks like a tree right now, so it has that center line and going down the sides, and then I'm breaking it into thirds. So that top third I'm going horizontally, and I'm trying to make it stick out just as much to the left and right as that top section does from the intersection where I cross the center line. And then I'm crossing the diagonals, so you're making like an X from the bottom to that long horizontal line, and just sketching in until you're happy with how it looks. Again, it's easier but not exact. We're not taking out a ruler, and you're just making it an improvement on the way you would normally make a star. When you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and switch into your favorite color marker or whatever tip you want for as large of a tip of a marker, and you're going around the perimeter of the star, and then you're going to erase those lines that were in the middle of the star, and then of course customize it in your own way to give it your own style, and make as many as you want. Hope this helped.
Shine a light on me.